So my name is Logan Ransley. I'm one of the co-founders of Landlord Studio, and we provide a all-in-one platform for landlords to manage their rental properties end-to-end, from accounting right through to managing tenants and everything in between. So that's what we do. We're available across all devices and help landlords just build efficiency in their businesses. So at the start of a landlord's journey, they typically buy insurance and they acquire a property. And that's typically when they start their entire rental business journey. And so our vision is to become a all-in-one platform. And so we wanted to provide basically everything from right from inception, from purchasing a property all the way through to management, managing tenants, etc. And so Steadily's product around insurance was a key component of that, because it allowed us to essentially embed the insurance aspect during acquisition of a property into the journey and the user flow of our own product. So the best thing about Steadily was the ability to embed the experience, or at least components of the experience, inside the product. The aha moment was less about the product and more about the team for us. So we had connected with the founder, Darren Nix, and on a founder-to-founder basis, and we built a really strong relationship with him, and we saw what he'd done in previous companies, and we knew that he was hardworking, he was serious about this industry, and the product itself that he had built was just next to none. We were sold right then and there, and we decided that we wanted to partner with Steadily over other competitors purely because of their team and how well their team has executed on this. So to embed an insurance product inside another platform, that insurance product needs to be designed in a way that allows it to operate off or in a different website. And so from a technical perspective, the product had been coded up in a way that allowed us to essentially drop it into our product and have it operate. So for landlords, having a centralized sort of system to manage their entire rental portfolio business, whether it is accounting or managing tenants, having a platform that has all those components in one place rather than having multiple different products really just helps simplify the whole experience of managing a property, which is really complex. There's lots of moving parts. There's lots of different things they need to focus on, that they need to consider. And so by keeping it all in one place, onboarding with Steadily was very quick. We had a dedicated account rep who basically handled all of our onboarding, getting our landing page set up, getting the whole process set up, and also the dashboard that they provide to us to track leads and payouts and commissions and things like that. So they've got the whole process sort of locked down, very systemized, very streamlined, end to end. And so going through that process was very simple. There was no hiccups. We were up within a matter of a week or two at the most, and basically everything was ready to go, and we just needed to turn it on live on our end, and then we automatically started passing through leads into insurance, Steadily Insurance, and then being able to provide that experience. As soon as we provided landlord insurance for a user onboarding, it allowed us to speed up the time that user would onboard their entire rental property business, because essentially right at the forefront of onboarding experience, offering that insurance product, as soon as they had opted in for that, they were essentially a customer of ours, or a customer of Steadily and Landlord Studios. And so I think there's two components here where it sped up the onboarding of that user on our own platform, but it also built a trust element that we were an industry leading product. We were working with industry leading products like Steadily, and the trust factor then helped us convert those users faster. Don't have the specific conversion rates for you, but we know that's a fact, just purely based on the support feedback that we're getting from our users. Our vision for Landlord Studio was always to become so an all-in-one platform, but offer a financial offering as well. Because of the way a landlord's business works, there's a lot of components in there around sort of financial technology, whether it's banks, insurance, payments, etc. And so to embed those types of products into Landlord Studio, it really helps our retention, but our sort of growth verticals as well. And so bringing the insurance piece we'd considered doing in the past, potentially on our own. But now that we've got a partner that allowed us to sort of open up and unlock that financial technology type of product inside Landlord Studio, it's really helped us expand our offering as well. And so what that's meant is it's allowed us to enter into this new space of fintech and being able to embed sort of financial and insurance products into Landlord Studio, which again is just sort of re-emphasizing that point of being an all-in-one. So we're really excited because we've seen the vision of Steadily and what they want to achieve. We've seen how big this market is. We've spoken to the founder about how big an offering that they can do and how much potential there is to offer insurance products specifically for landlords. And so we're really excited by that. We're excited about Steadily's vision, where they're going, their progress, their traction. And so aligning ourselves with a business that has that enthusiasm and also experience and vision around this industry is really key for us, because it means that we can continue to grow our offering through offering that insurance over the long term, and also growing with them over time as well, and doing case studies like this and joint content marketing efforts and things where we can both offer value to the audience or our same audiences, just in slightly different ways. So we're really excited to keep working with them.